What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Blason's Armorbox case for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now in case you guys want to pick up this case yourself, I will be putting a link in the description, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links when purchasing because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. Now, if you're looking for the most protective case that Blason offers for your phone, the Armorbox is definitely going to be the one to look at. So let's check it out. So this is the Armorbox case in the ruddy color. The other really nice thing is they offer you two of these inserts, one that has a plastic screen protector built in, one that doesn't in case you want to use your own screen protector. This case also comes with this really nice belt clip as well. So if you are going to use the inner portion that does have the built-in screen protector, you're going to want to clean off your screen on your phone really well before we put this on, because anything that's on your screen after you put this on is going to be trapped under there. So once you've cleaned off your screen, we're going to peel off the inner protector layer. Just like that. And then place this whole piece over your phone. Press it into place. Just like that. Then take your finger and push down on the fingerprint hole and make sure that there's no bubbles. Then we're going to peel out the protector from the front. Then you're going to take this whole piece and put it back into your phone. And there you go. Very nice case. This is a very protective case. Feels really good in the hand. It is nice and grippy. It is also super reinforced in these corners. So in case you happen to drop your phone, it's not going to get damaged at all. So once you put your phone in here, we're going to re-input our fingerprints. So we'll do that now. Okay, all set. Now we'll test out our fingerprint sensor. No problems at all, working perfectly fine. Now, as far as the touch on the screen goes, there is a slight resistance because it is plastic. It's not glass like on the phone. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's all these little micro dots on the screen. It's not really a big deal, but that's just there to keep the rainbow effect down. So if we look at the side of the phone, as you can see, it does add a little bit of bulk to the phone, but it's definitely reinforced in these edges. It's got a nice serration on the side for grip. It also has a nice raised edge all the way around the phone screen. On the other side, we have that same serration. We have our power button, our volume buttons. On the bottom, we have our speaker port and our charging port that is nice and covered. And on the back, it's got that nice hard plastic, very cool looking. It's got these little faux screws in the corner. And it also has a built-in kickstand that easily comes out. So you can watch anything in landscape mode like YouTube, Netflix. And you can also take some Zoom calls or just have the phone facing you on your desk. And it very easily stows away with a little click. Very nice, industrial looking, and it also has a nice recession for your camera lenses. In case you happen to put your phone on its back, your lenses will be protected. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, you can charge right through the case. Again, this is a very nice protective case by Blason. Again, I really love the fact that it comes with two inserts, one with a built-in screen protector and one without in case you want to use your own. I would definitely recommend this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So again, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links when purchasing because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.